Here's the Red Oak Knob Fire Tower in Webster County, West Virginia. They're renovating this fire tower so that people can actually rent it and spend the night in here. We're going to see if we can go up to the top. This fire tower is 80 feet tall. So if we can get up to the top, it ought to be a pretty good view. They've got an RV hookup down there, so you can bring your RV up here. And this has actually got power in it. Observation deck to look up and see what it looks like inside, but I can see it's got glass window panes in it so that you have a 360-degree view of the surrounding area. And being able to get up there this high, it is an awesome view. Here on Red Oak Knob, you're right between the Cranberry River and Williams River. So, be a good place to stay on a fishing trip. Like some good deer hunting up through here too. Old James wouldn't come up here with me. He stayed on the ground. Actually got cell phone service up here too. Headed back down. Forest Service does have good railing on this one. James on the ground. lot easier coming back down than it was going up. It's panting pretty heavy on the climb.